Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is on the 1977 Westie we're doing a full restoration on, and just give you a little update on what's been going on. If you look inside, I've refitted a dash, cleaned it all up, refitted the column, I painted the column, the handbrake and mechanism's all been powder coated, and as you can see the new wiring looms in. Looks nice from the top. See all the levers have all been plated. There's a little bit more finishing on the wire. We need to neaten some of the wires up. The wiper motor's back in. That's all been stripped and restored. There's the handbrake. It's all plated. All the levers are plated for the air controls, for the flaps. They've all been zinc plated. The flaps themselves have been powder coated and the seals stuck back on. Your wax solder there when it's finished. So now really it's the headlights, bumpers, indicators. We're going to fit the doors out next. I've got some more plated catches to replace the painted ones. It's starting to look like a van again. If I show you the back hatch, I put all new catches on that. Well, say new, original ones that have been plated. Look, looks lovely. It's got the seal on the back, but they've got the alignment nice. If you look in the engine bay, I've got to pull the tank out. That's going to be powder coated. The loom's in there, most of the loom's in there. Just got to tidy some of the wiring up, clip it in, make a battery live, earth, and then the underside will be all pressure washed and cleaned up and wax sealed. This one's not going to be fully detailed, as in, you know, the other ones we're doing are painted body colour underneath. This is really solid. The customer just required it to be wax sealed. As you can see, there's no rot there. It just needs someone's blacked it, but not very well. I'll take all the shocks off, the brakes, etc. before I do that, and we'll go through them. But it's starting to look like something now. Obviously we've got all the seals, the cab door seals to do, the quarter lights to trim and paint. But we should show you that being done at a later date. We're obviously doing some how-tos on this van as well, and some of the parts we fit to help you guys out. There we go. Thanks for looking.